Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook sauteed bean sprouts. Okay, these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, bean sprouts, ground pork, uh, spring onions, garlic, chilies, onions, and then bell pepper. Okay, uh, cook this one first. The ground pork. Add soy sauce. Meat cook first before we add anything. Okay, cook already, so I'm gonna saute the garlic. And then the onions. The chilies. And then also the bell pepper. And mix it all together. And then we're gonna add the bean sprout. Okay, I'm going to add a little water. The bean sprout is watery also. There's still a water will come out. Okay, and then a little soy sauce. And then the oyster sauce, guy. Okay, so I add the oyster sauce. Add the rest of the togi because it won't fit. Okay, the rest of the bean sprout or togi. Okay, we're gonna cover first so that the togi will come out. Okay, cover first. Guys, the bean sprout is already cooked. We add one more oyster sauce, and then we're gonna taste it. Okay, I'm going to taste it, guys, because we don't need to overcook this one. So this is good enough. Mm, mm, it's good, guys. Mm, okay. done, guys. It's done. Our salted bean sprout. It's done. It's a very simple dish, but it's yummy and good for our body. Good. It's healthy. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bruja, to my Instagram, The underscore, Bru underscore Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. Please, please, please. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.